Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word warmly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She greeted her guests warmly as they entered her home. Warmly in this sentence means with enthusiasm, kindness, and a genuine sense of hospitality. The speaker welcomed the guests with a heartfelt and friendly demeanor. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.